can only show you the door. You have to walk through it.
Hello guys, welcome to the Crypto Matrix. I'm Mr. Legend. In this video, we'll be taking a look at an altcoin, Litecoin. Litecoin is down 35% over the last 1 year. It's flat on a daily time frame, on a weekly time frame, on a monthly time frame, which begs the question, how high can Litecoin go in the coming days and the coming weeks? In the previous video, we talked about key levels Litecoin could probably rally to before the end of the cycle. We're still going to talk about those key levels today. What are the possibilities of us hitting those price targets? We'll also look at Litecoin's performance against Bitcoin, Litecoin's performance against Ethereum, and finally look at Litecoin's market cap, which currently sits around $6.5 billion. There's fear in the cryptocurrency market right now. Market participants are scared, even though we have seen double-digit bounce in the altcoin market. Should we start buying more Litecoin, getting ready for that end of cycle rally, for that Santa rally? We'll talk about that and more in this video. But first, guys, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. When it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself. Do the necessary research and analysis before making any investment decision. Let's get down to business. Litecoin, currently trading around $85, has a market cap of $6.57 billion, with the fully diluted market cap sitting at $7.21 billion. Has a total supply of 84 million coins. We have 76.59 million of those coins in circulation. Now, the altcoin market has seen double-digit gains over the last 1 week. Filecoin is still down Litecoin is still down 0.5% over the last 1 week. But good news is returning back to the cryptocurrency market as a lot of altcoins are showing signs of life. Now, in the previous bull market 2021, we saw Litecoin just briefly get into new all-time highs. The previous all-time highs from 2017 was around $362. In 2021, we saw Filecoin getting to as high as $409. There was a lot of optimism in the market. There was a lot of hope that we're going higher. But then, that was a telltale sign that the bull market is over. So I'll not be shocked, guys, if finally in 2025, we see Litecoin rallying past $409, maybe even getting to as high as $700. We've seen Litecoin pump this cycle. We've seen XRP pump. We've seen XLM pump. We've seen Dogecoin, PP. A lot of altcoins have had their own time in the sun. It feels like the market is rotating one altcoin at a time. I'll not be shocked to see Litecoin joining the party at some point in time. The nearest future, Litecoin has failed to rally past $146 since 2022. We have been stuck below $146. The smart players have been accumulating. The dumb players have been selling for huge losses. In the coming days and coming weeks, guys, we might see a parabolic ending. We might see a Santa rally. We might see a lot of these altcoins coming back to life. With market participants postulating that 2026 might be bearish, don't be shocked to see the market giving them all the reasons to be convinced that 2026 will be very, very bullish. From where Litecoin found the bottom in this bear market, which is around the $40 level, we have seen Litecoin get to as high as $148. That's the accumulation range. It has taken more than 1,280 days from the bottom of the bear market to where we're currently trading right now. Litecoin has been ranging with all the excitement, with all the anticipation. Still not rally past $146. I'll not be shocked, guys, if the end of 2025 is when that dream comes to reality. From where we're currently trading right now, for Litecoin to rally past $150, $151, we to see Litecoin go up by around 75%. Which in the cryptocurrency market can happen in the twinkle of an eye. If you look at what Litecoin has done in the past, multiple times, Litecoin has rallied from the $85 level straight towards $150. So I'll not be shocked if it happens this time. I'll not even be shocked if it happens very, very quickly. Litecoin has done it in 7 days. That's done it in 2 weeks. That's done it in 1 month. Don't be shocked. Just like Zcash took a lot of market participants by surprise, started pumping aggressively, never looked back. I believe Litecoin is primed for such pump. A lot of market participants would have been shorting. A lot of market participants right now are short a lot of these altcoins. So the higher we go, the more you start seeing market participants FOMOing. The higher we go, the more you see the bears start capitulating. The higher we go, the more you see other bulls start entering the market, FOMOing in at higher prices. Now, one key level where Litecoin might face some difficulties over the next few days and the next few weeks, if the pump comes, might be the $287 level. We need to see Litecoin pump by around 231% from where we're currently trading. For us to get to that $285, But if we get there, guys, the FOMO would have been real. Litecoin would have been near all-time highs. News stories then will not be bearish. News stories then will be very, very bullish, expecting us to continue pumping to higher prices, expecting us to rally crazily to the moon. From the $282 level, Litecoin will just be off around 44% from a new all-time highs. I'll not be shocked, guys, if we see Litecoin getting to $500, maybe even getting to as high as $600. $600 Litecoin will see us pumping by more than 600% from where we're currently trading. Most times in the cryptocurrency market, guys, we underestimate what will happen in a short time and we overestimate what can happen in a long time. I will not be shocked to end 2025 on a very positive note. Think about it, guys. The market was hyper bearish. We saw extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market. Market participants were sure we were already in a bear market. This time is different. The bull market is over. 4-year cycle enjoyers have sold the market. But remember, guys, historically, before the market dumps to goblin town, before the cycle is over, we usually see all coins have their own day in the sun. All coins pumping, usually the exit pump is really the smart players taking what they have to take from the market. If you look at 2021, yes, Bitcoin went to $69,000. A lot of altcoins had their own time in the sun, but still, we saw altcoins finally go on their pump. Even in November, so we saw altcoins go on that relief rally. The game was still on. So how high are we going to go in the comments and coming weeks? Watch out for a new all-time high for Litecoin. If you want to buy some Litecoin for yourself, guys, you can buy some Litecoin on Binance, on Coinbase Exchange, on OKX, on Bybit, and anywhere you get your popular altcoins. If you look at Litecoin performance against the king of the market, Bitcoin, yes, nothing to write home about, but just like Zcash, don't be shocked to see Litecoin outperforming Bitcoin crazily in the end of the cycle. Historically, that's what has always happened, and I don't think this time will be different. A lot of smart whales have made some money buying Bitcoin at the bottom, selling Bitcoin at the top. Don't be shocked to see them rotating some profits into the altcoin market. I'll not be shocked to see Litecoin rallying up by 200 to 500% against Bitcoin over the next few days and the next few weeks. If you also look at Litecoin's performance against Ethereum, similar price action. Litecoin has been dumping to goblin town against Ethereum for over 7 years right now. At some point in time, guys, the bears are going to get liquidated. The market doesn't go in one direction forever. No matter how long it takes, at some point in time, a relief rally will come through. A big pump to the upside is going to come through. And don't be shocked to see Litecoin outperforming both Bitcoin and Ethereum by 200 to 500% before the cycle comes to an end. Maybe even go higher than that. But one thing I'm very sure of is that the market doesn't end when we're dumping to goblin town. The market really has two ways to go. We're pumping to the moon, we're dumping to goblin town. We'll be dumping to goblin town. The logical next step for the market is for us to pump to the moon. You're playing a game, guys, here. You're playing a game against other market participants. Your number one job is to buy as low as possible, to buy when there's extreme fear in the cryptocurrency market, and to sell as high as possible, to sell when great returns back to the cryptocurrency market. And if you do that, you'll be shouting kumbaya, you'll be smiling to the bank. Now, if you look at Litecoin's market cap, it's fairly large, around $6.5 billion. We've seen Litecoin's market cap go parabolic before. In 2021, we saw the market cap getting to as high as $26.9 billion. That was the all-time high for Litecoin's market cap. For us to rally past that $26.9 billion level, we need to see Litecoin's market cap rally aggressively. And that pump, around a 300% pump, can happen overnight, can happen in 1 week, can happen in 1 month. Never say never. The final phase of the market cycle is wrecked with a lot of FOMO, with a lot of market participants getting scared, with a lot of bears getting liquidated. The combined force of bears getting liquidated, bulls FOMOing, always send us pumping aggressively to the moon. And that's when we see sentiment usually change in the cryptocurrency market from fear to greed. So guys, drop it out in the comment section. Are you still buying some Litecoin, even though Litecoin is flat on a daily time frame, weekly time frame, monthly time frame? What's your expectation for Litecoin before the end of the year? Are you ready for that Santa rally that might shoot us straight to new all-time highs? Drop your thoughts about that in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more awesome videos like these. Turn on the post notifications to get notified anytime I drop a new video, anytime I go live. Remember, guys, when it comes to investing, nothing will pay off more than educating yourself, and investments in knowledge pays the best interest. Invest for the long haul. Don't get too scared. Don't get too greedy. See you guys in my next video.
Remember, all I'm offering is the truth, nothing more.